Thank you so much, guys, but let's dive right into the video. So first of all, it may sound obvious, but try opening the Battle.net application as administrator. So just right-click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. That's the first thing I would suggest you. But let's continue right away. Just open your Windows search and type in device manager. So you can open this app here, and then it would load up a list with all your devices you have installed on your computer. And then we need to click in the drop-down menu, display adapters, and then right-click on your display adapter, click on Update Driver, click on Search Automatically for Drivers, and here you may need to install a new driver. In my case, it's already the best drivers installed. So just install if you need it. Then we can already close that. And for all NVIDIA user, you need to, or I suggest you to install the GeForce Experience app. And then, if you haven't already, and then in the app, make sure that you click on drivers and download the newest version of the GeForce Game Ready driver. So just download this here, so you're on the latest version. That's it. Then next thing, you need to make sure that you have updated your Windows to the latest version. So just click get in the settings, just search settings and then click on Windows Update, and here make sure that you have downloaded and updated the latest version of Windows, whether it's Windows 10 or 11, doesn't matter. Just make sure that you've updated all updates. Yeah, then we can already close that, and the next thing, or the last thing, click again on the Windows search and type in Control Panel. Open this app here, then click on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and here on the left we have a few links, and here you need to click on Change Adapter Settings, and here you can see your network adapters. In my case it's Ethernet. If it's Wi-Fi in your case, it doesn't matter. Just right-click on your network adapter, click on Disable, but as you need to have administrator rights. But yeah, just disable it, and then we can already check, yes, there isn't any internet access anymore. And then if we've waited a few seconds, we can already enable it again. So just again right-click on it and click on Enable, and then this will take again a few seconds. So just don't worry. It needs a few more moments just to identify the network again and connect it to the internet. Yes, internet access is back. Then we can already close this, and then just open Battle.net as we normally would. And then just sign in. Your data, and that should be it. The issue should be solved now. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If not, just also leave a comment, and I will write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.